Example 2. The third term of a geometric sequence is 3, and the sixth term is 1/9. Find the first term. Solution. This is how the sequence looks. We know that the common ratio Tn over Tn minus 1 equals r. Applying this to consecutive terms, we get T4 over T3 equals T5 over T4 equals T6 over T5 equals r. Therefore, T4 over T3 times T5 over T4 times T6 over T5 equals r times r times r. Simplifying the expression, we get T6 over T3 equals r to the power 3. Substituting the values of T3 and T6 in the equation, we get 1/9 over 3 equals r to the power 3. Therefore, r equals 1/3. Recall that the general formula for the nth term of a geometric sequence is Tn equals a times r raised to the power n minus 1. Substituting the value for the sixth term, we get T6 equals ar to the power 5. Multiplying both sides by 9, therefore a equals 27.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you, and let the math finally start mathing.